Imagine walking out of your CAT exam and wondering, did my non-engineer background hold me back or could it actually be my secret advantage? If you are a non-engineer preparing for CAT 2025, this video is a must watch. Today we are breaking down why non-engineers might actually have an edge and how you can use it to your full advantage. Traditionally, engineering students dominate CAT, especially in quantitative ability section. Last year, that is in the CAT 2024, out of 14 top scorers in CAT, 13 were the engineers. But CAT is changing. Top IIMs now value academic diversity more than ever. They want a mix of engineers and non-engineers in their classrooms because diverse backgrounds fuel better discussions and business thinking. Non-engineers who excel in verbal ability and reading comprehension section and data interpretation and logical reasoning are increasingly competitive. So your background is not a limitation, it's an opportunity if you play your cards right. Now let's talk why non-engineers may have an advantage. Because the first point is academic diversity preference at IIMs. Like some seats are reserved for non-engineers to ensure a balanced classroom. If you are strong in VRC and DILR, you could outperform engineers who rely mostly on quantitative ability section. Then second is the balanced exam pattern. Recent CAT exams have distributed weight across all sections. VRC and DILR now hold almost equal importance as quantitative ability is. This means if your strength is in verbal and reasoning, you can really pay off. Then third is the natural strengths of non-engineers. Non-engineers often excel in comprehension, logic and analytical thinking. This gives you strategic edge in your DILR and VRC section even if quantitative ability is not your strongest section initially. Then fourth point is the preparation can close quantitative ability gaps. Like non-engineers might find quantitative ability section difficult at first, but focus on structured preparation so that it can help to bridge the gap. You don't need to be maths genius. Consistent practice in arithmetic, algebra and geometry can take you to the top percentiles in the quantitative ability section. So firstly, you need to understand about the CAT 2025, like it has a 24 question of the VRC, verbal ability and reading comprehension. So for that 3 marks per question is over there and the overall time limit is 40 minutes. For the DILR, 22 questions were over there, 3 marks each and 40 minutes time allotted. Quantitative ability, 22 questions, 3 marks each question and 40 minutes time allotted. So overall you will have 68 questions in 120 minutes, negative marking, 1 mark deduction for wrong MCQs. So you can no longer rely solely on quantitative ability section. Strong performance across all the 3 sections is the key to success. Then coming to the quantitative ability preparation for non-engineers. So even if quantitative ability seems difficult, you can handle it strategically. Like you need to focus on these high-yield topics. First is the arithmetic. In that you can focus on percentages, profit and loss, time, speed, distance, mixtures and alligation. Then algebra is also over there, linear and quadratic equations and inequality sequence. Then number system, divisibility, primes and modular arithmetic. These are the topics you can focus from the number system. Then geometry and mensuration, triangles, circle, 3D solids. Then probability is the another topic you need to focus on. So start with the arithmetic and algebra. These are the backbone of quantitative ability. Then gradually cover geometry, number systems and probability. Now coming to the strategy for non-engineers, here's a step-by-step game plan to crack CAT 2025 as a non-engineer. First point is take advantage of the VRC and DILR section. These sections can become your scoring powerhouse. Read widely, then practice logic puzzles and take topic-wise mocks. Then bridge quantitative ability gaps smartly. Focus on arithmetic and algebra first. Use shortcut techniques, tricks and time-saving methods. Then take mock tests regularly. Full-length mocks train your timing, accuracy and strategy. Analyze mistakes and optimize your approach. Then stay consistent and motivated. Non-engineers can compete with engineers if preparation is disciplined. Your mindset and strategy often matter more than raw math skills. Then coming to the realistic outlook and motivation. So non-engineers don't need to panic about quantitative ability section. Strategic preparation is enough. IIMs are increasingly valuing diverse skill sets. Your background can be a differentiator. And remember, CAT is not just a math test, it's a test of logical thinking, comprehension, and strategy. Your unique strengths can give you an edge. Play smart, practice hard, and CAT 2025 can be yours. If you are a non-engineer preparing for CAT 2025, it's time to see your background as an advantage, not a limitation. Focus on your strengths, fill the gap strategically, and aim for the top percentiles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Comment below, are you a non-engineer preparing for CAT 2025, and which section worries you the most? If you have any difficulties, any queries, that also you can drop me in the comments. Thank you for watching the video.